The Mahindra Group is very proud to partner with the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship for the PM Drone Sakhi program. This is a very important initiative as it combines skilling and women empowerment. We must commend the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. It's a very dynamic ministry, and it's really been a pleasure working with them. They've been in fact pushing us hard in many cases to create this program quickly, and they've really outlined a program here that can be very beneficial. It's teaching women to operate drones to make farming easy, and it really helps, one, empower them, second, it's a use of technology, and third is it really promotes new practices in agriculture that is going to be beneficial for the country. So overall, this is just a fantastic program. It's a stepping stone to a lot more that we want to do together, and this is a great start. So we thank the Ministry for Skill Development and Entrepreneurship and look forward to a very strong partnership. Thank you.